Okay. Next up on our agenda is public comment. Do we have public comment on any matters today? Yeah, we have a few. Okay, go ahead. Good afternoon, Ms. Bush. I know you were here in December, and I just wanted to note that we're happy that you're back again, but we'd like to limit your comments to 3 minutes today because I think I looked over the record and you spoke for over 10 minutes the last time. So
okay, I'll make it brief because I'm writing you another letter. I was here October 27th and December 14th, and to this date there is no resolution on the elder abuse of my mother. I'm here today to ask for the resignation of Sandy Murphy, Heidi Carlson, Cindy Wilson, and Doug Bernard for the failure of their duty to protect my mother. This situation is ongoing. There's laws being violated. They are not doing their duty to protect my mother. I have been harassed through this process, and I keep coming to you guys for a resolution of this because you are the ones that pay these people, and if they're complacent in their jobs and they want to use discretion as opposed to the law, they are mandated by the law. The Older Adult Protective Service Act is now met the criteria, and Sandy Murphy refuses to enact it to save my mother out of Park Lane at Bellingham, where she's being isolated and abused. I won't eat up much of your time. I have a letter that I'm going to submit to you that I want the resignation of these employees. They are in violation of their duty to the public. Any questions?
No, thank you.
Thank you.
I just wanted to state a couple of things since, Ms. Bush, you've come in a few times. First of all, the Board of Commissioners takes very seriously the protection and care of the elderly. That's probably one of the most important things that we do in Chester County. All of us, I think, either know or have, folks that are very important to us that are elderly. My parents are about your mother's age. This is an important issue. However, I do want to state for the record that this matter, while it's obviously a serious one, is really not appropriately before the Board of Commissioners for a variety of reasons. You have had a chance to air your grievances not only to us, to our solicitor, the county detectives, the Department of Human Resources, the Pennsylvania and County Department of Aging, as well as State Representative Hennessy and the courts. The last time you were in here, which was December 14th, you did speak for over 10 minutes, and you've left us some documents to review, and our solicitor has reviewed them as well. You did, as you noted, come in here on October 27th, and again spoke for over 5 minutes. Our solicitor has spent some substantial time listening to these claims and reviewing the claims. And probably most important is your mother no longer is in a county facility. She's at Park Lane at Bellingham, which is a private care facility. The matter is currently in the hands of the courts. On May 14th, 2013, the trial court removed you as your mother's co-guardian. This was affirmed by the appellate courts on June 24th, 2014. There are currently 2 pending petitions and a pending appeal. My understanding is the court has sanctioned you and held you in contempt for violation of various orders. Now, can I finish, please?
You're reading old stuff that is not current, and you're doing it to smear my name. And I don't appreciate that because I've been through enough of that. I am here in advocacy of my mother as her trustee, as her daughter, and I have not been able to see her for a full year because of the nonsense going on in Chester County. You don't want to.
This matter, Ms. Bush, we are addressing it. And as I've stated, we have had ample resources. If there was anything that was out there through our investigation, we certainly would have addressed it. This matter is in front of the court system, and I'd ask that you follow it.
Elder abuse has to be addressed by the Department of Aging under the Adult Protective Service.
All right. Thank you very much, Mrs. Bush. Any other public comment?